Telegram, shared it. So it's a free session, it's an open session. I won't be here. So I said something on Friday on Tuesday for those people who were in trading, because I taught kind of like extensive Telegram, shared it. I taught. So, and in this economy, in this time, in this season, why is this so important to have the skill set of trading? I just want to say something about that for people who probably are new into this environment and they are skeptical. Why should you have the skill set? What is the worth or the value of the skill set of trading in our time? I would explain it in a way that it's going to make sense to a lay person. So if you're working a job, you have an opportunity to earn a salary or an income, to earn an income. And your earning is limited based on what is placed on you, which means it's not the right word. But one of the things you're going to observe is your expenses does not have a cap. It is not placed. It is based on, it is an open door. Your income is a locked room, but your expenses is an open door. And people are poor today, not because of the lack of money. People are poor necessarily because they have an expense that is greater than income. Your outflow, if your outflow is greater than your inflow, your financial life, it's backward, it's going backward. You know, the opportunity Forex gives you is to first get another opportunity that has an open door of income better than your job. You know, I'm trying to bring an explanation that will make people who are not trading, don't think of Forex, don't consider Forex with a cheap mind. Even if you're considering it from the standpoint of a job, okay, let me find another job. The job has a payday every day, unlimited. It's like it beats that of your expenses. Why? You're earning in the strongest world currency, okay? Currencies in the world. You're not earning in your local currency. You're actually earning in a global currency. Even if you're in the United States, it's a global currency. The US dollar is a global currency, which means it's a top priority way of earning, because now you get into this market. So that is from the perspective of the worth of the opportunity. Now, what is the beauty of having the skill of trading? I am here right now. I just called you. Every day, Monday through Fridays, that's aside crypto. Because of the skill that I have, I don't even know what I would earn, but I do know something. I have an opportunity every day to earn. And the skill gives me that opportunity to get into the market and farm. Okay. So some days I could see 100, some days I could see 500, some days I could see thousands. But my life of expedition is not like that. There's no someday I will spend thousands. Okay. I have an income base, okay, that beats my expense base. Life is beautiful when you have an opportunity to earn every day, because why? You spend every day. Now, let me give you the big cracker. If you have a way, if you could find a way to earn 5 times what you spend in a day, you are you've incredibly built a system of wealth. Now, you want to find many opportunities. Does your job give you the opportunity to earn 5 times what you spend in a day if you break it into daily? If there is a no vet, and you should be learning a skill like this. There are other skills, but Forex is one of the easiest and cheapest. Okay. Now, it's imagine we're going to get into the session right now. Probably going to make money in binary. Okay. Or we're going to see Forex option. And all you just need to do probably right now is to copy and paste. Now, that's going to tell you the power of big community. And if you copy and paste, some of you are going to make $5, $10, $100. Some people here are going to make thousands of dollars, depending on their size of capital. So it gives you an opportunity to invest every day. Are there risks attached to it? Absolutely, yes. For people who want to earn without learning, who want to grab wealth without actually investing seeds. So the time of learning is your time of investing. So this is just to give you a reflection of the power of the skill. Just imagine another 1 or 2 years of your life investing in this power. What's your 5 years going to look like? Some of you have 5 years goal, you have 10-year goal, but do you have how you're going to achieve those goals? Forex is actually one beautiful way you can achieve, because why? You get into the market every day and there's something about you, what you do every day becomes your lifestyle. Okay. If you get into where you can make money every day, eventually you're going to learn how to start making money. Okay. So that is something you should take into consideration. If you're not trading, get into an environment where you could make money every day. Does that make sense? Put sense in the chat. Hello, everyone. How you guys doing? Are you guys blessed? Well, I'm feeling blessed. Put I'm feeling blessed in the chat. I'm feeling blessed. I'm feeling blessed. I'm feeling so blessed this morning. That's why I called every one of you. I called every one of you, all my, family, my friends, my children, my brothers, my sisters. I'm feeling blessed, and we're having an open session. Okay, are you guys feeling blessed? How you feel anything is how you attract everything. Everything comes to you based on the way you're feeling. So I want to invest in your feelings. Say I'm feeling blessed, so that you can you can help us attract all of the good things to us this morning. Okay. So I'm feeling blessed. Kenvry. Okay. Put I'm feeling blessed, Kenvry. I want to see my name there. I'm feeling blessed, Kenvry. If you're not obeying me right now, you will not copy and paste well. You will not make money with me if you're not typing on chat. Say I'm feeling blessed, Kenvry. Now I'm gonna see everybody right. People like things. People like threats. Why do you guys like threats? Like money so much. Put I'm feeling blessed, Kenvry. I hope my network is great. Okay, yeah. Oh. So you guys get your gears ready. Get your gears ready. Probably I'll be looking at them simultaneously. Okay. Forex is just to tell you what opportunity I'm looking at. I'm actually buying GBP AUD. And I'll look at other ones I'll look at, but binary, we're just gonna look at it together and trade it together and make money. Some of you don't have accounts, which means you're just gonna see. If you have an account, trade. If you don't have an account, I need you to do something. Get your binary, get your demo account and simulate. Okay, for those of you on Instagram, God bless you. I told you guys to join the live session. The link is on my bio. If you're not following me, you're going to be missing all the sessions. So the link to my Telegram is on my bio. So just click my bio, join the Telegram. You're going to see the link to this amazing session. Okay, so just know we traded binary, and you can actually watch the recording live on my YouTube. It's actually still connected on my YouTube. I want to take my face off here because now I have double screen. So God bless you for feeling blessed. Are you guys ready? Put I'm ready on the chat. So there's so much volume in the market already. I actually got in on EU yesterday, and I'm about to lose that opportunity and find another opportunity for the sell side. Just a moment. I want to share my screen. What are you guys seeing on my screen? So if we want to trade binary, this is what we'll look at first. So the emotions of the market. So no. First, let's look at if there's going to be any news. So we're going to trade binary. Let's just see the opportunities in binary. So This is 9 o'clock. There was news in Euro 9 o'clock, so I guess that's why. No, this is not nine. No, this is not nine. Wait, it's 9:11. It's not changing. Why? Okay, let me see. Change. Casablanca Bao. Uh, GMT plus one. Here's Lagos. Do I have Lagos here? Oh, I should. It should be around this GMT plus one, plus one, plus one, plus one. Ah, see this one. Actually, GMT plus one. Let's see. Okay, so it's correct now. So 10 o'clock. So 9:55, there's news. Okay, so we don't have news within the time we're going to trade right now. So which means binary is going to be okay. Okay, so the next thing, let's look at the emotions to know what we buy. So I'm going to be fast on this one. So USD is strong, NZ is weak, AUD is weak. Okay, so we can trade pairs like so the market is bleeding right now. There's so much. Wow, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. So USD JPY is going to be buying, AUD USD is going to be selling. So we're going to be looking at currencies like AUD USD. That's what we're going to be looking at for a sell. So we now know we can sell AUD USD, we can sell NZD USD. Okay, we can sell look at why is JPY soft here? Why is JPY? JPY is soft here. Why? Let's look at it from another point standpoint. JPY is strong. USD is the strongest. Fine. Okay. Okay. Let's stick to the one that is strong. Let's look at CHF is a little bit strong as well. So we're going to be going with NZD something. NZD USD. Okay. So I'm going to be looking at NZD USD right now. For a sell. So I'm going to analyze it and but it's the market is really bleeding. Okay, so 5 minutes, 15 minutes is bearish. Let's look at 1 hour. 1 hour is bullish, so there's a challenge in this market. Can okay, daily is a little bearish off the bearish zone right now. So I believe this market is going to turn very soon. We're probably going to drop very hard, but I believe it's going to turn. Where it is like right now, I believe it's going to turn upwards. But right now, daily crosses the line of bearish, so we can look at it for all sell. Likewise, but I think it's so. Let me just analyze it. Get the areas. We know the areas we're going to trade it. So it's equilibrium. So if you're a good trader that has been trading with me, you'll be doing what I'm doing right now. Means you get the area. This is how I get my areas on a trade. I mark the previous areas of the candles I'm looking at. Previous areas. That's called charting. How many of you know how to chart? Put I do. If you don't, say I don't. So that I can tell you how to chart. Okay. If you do know how to chart, put I do. If you don't, put I don't. Put it on the chat. Let me get our feedback quickly. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna our first quick recovery area is gonna be here, which is not, I don't feel it's really that much because there was so much momentum that dropped the market down. But I clearly, yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Trying to see how I can infuse some level of price action. some price action will be starting from here. So activity of good sales. Activity of good sales will be starting from here. But that's far away. So let's see what we can grab from here. What's the time right now? 9:16. Hopefully, if market comes to 132 to 137, we're going to have our first try for a sell. Okay. First try for a sell for a continuation. But it wouldn't really be that strong, irrespective of if it's a daily and it's a daily and a 15 minutes closing. But that's what I'm going to be looking at for the sell. So I'm putting it out. You guys can write it. So what did you guys say? Let me see what you guys said. Okay. I don't, I do, I do, I don't, I don't, I do. Okay, so we have many do's and there are few don't. So if you go on my if you're following me on YouTube, okay, just search chatting. Okay, I've done a couple of videos on chatting. Very simple. Simple. So you know, it's one of the simplest training you can ever learn. Very, very simple. So chatting. So I've told you how you can know how to chat. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. I dropped an alarm there. Did it click? Why am I analyzing NZDCHF? I don't understand. I said NU, I'm analyzing NZ. Oh boy. I think this NZDCHF is always getting in my way. I think that's what happened the last time. Where is my NU? This is NU, I guess. Sheesh. Well, they are alike though. So thank God I did. The NZD has printed the same level of the same activity. So what I'll do is that I'll analyze different pairs, then we'll wait for them. You know, when I'm stretching these candles out, all I'm looking for is to see the wick. Okay. So this is our area for feeding. I'm gonna start feeding from this area. We should take a while though. So market is bleeding right now. There's so much momentum in the market right now. And what you do during momentum is set up. You wait for, so if so there's a cycle of momentum. What's the next cycle after momentum? Talk to me. NZUS is not showing on pocket option presently. I'm sorry. If it's not showing, then you look out for the other pair we're going to analyze. Well, after momentum, what's the next cycle? You know, what a lot of people don't do is they don't understand cycle. Okay, you can't, when you want to trade logically and technically, you understand cycles. So if the market comes back here right now, this is where I'm going to be trading. We're going to start activity of trading. You guys talk to me on the chat. After momentum, what's the next cycle, possible cycle? So let's look at, I'm going to, let's find the CHF pair, Euro CHF, Euro CHF, let me see. CHF is stronger. There's some confusion in this market, so I better be careful. AUD JPY, but JPY is not strong on the other side. So what can I look at? AUD USD. I'm already looking at NZD USD. Should I still look at AUD USD? Let's just see how it looks. If it's the same structure, then would leave it. I'm gonna be trading. This AUD NZD US AUD USD. Okay, this is the same structure. So we won't be seeing a trade on here. But market is really on momentum. How about JPY? Some momentum. AUD that is off. USD. How about USD card? Let's see. What's USD card saying? USD card. Okay. I don't like USD card. Okay, let's look at USD card. USD card. Where are you? Oh, let me look at card JPY first. Card JPY is for a sell. Bearish on 15 minutes. Bearish on 5 minutes. Bearish and bullish on 1 hour. No, can't do anything. So let's go to USD card. So this is USD CHF. What is USD card? Here is USD card. USD card is consolidating. Okay. Did I drop an alarm here? Let me drop an alarm here. So this is USD card on 5 minutes. It's bullish on 1 hour. Sorry. Okay, this is daily. Bullish on daily. Bullish on hourly. Bullish on 15 minutes. Okay. Sorry, let me switch this one back to the 5 minutes. So let's chart this one out. Probably we're going to get a trade here soon. Okay. So we still need some time for this guy to drop. We have a trade around the 933 to 947. We have a momentum break on this area. So let's see if it drops to the 947. The more pressurable area will be the 933. Okay. There's some rejection zones around there on the smaller time frame. So let's just watch out. But we'll start taking our flight from 947. USD card. It looks good. I like the structure. USD card. So let me drop it on my trading platform. USD card and set it up. If you're trading with one prime option, you can actually still set alarm. USD card 933. All my trades are 5 minutes. If I'm not calling time, just know that all my trades are for 5 minutes, 947. Yeah, 948. Okay. We actually get to anything around the from 900. We're gonna definitely, but don't go back now. Why you being stubborn? Okay. All my timing are for 5 minutes. If I'm not mentioning time, just know they are for five minutes. So this is USD card. So we've got an area and just note this. Everything I'm giving you right now is what I may probably trade throughout the day. Kenvry, what does that mean? I may be on this session. If the cycle of the session is still on momentum, I can't do anything about it. I can't force momentum to stop because I want to trade. So if the market, what is momentum? It means market is gracefully and intentionally moving in a direction of what? Sentiment. Okay. Now, when that momentum exhausts, what happened in the market? The next cycle is retracement or correction. Okay. So right now, when you see market moving like this, okay, let's say this. So this is presently momentum correction, momentum. Okay, and if you look at this area, if you look at this simple move and it comes back to this area, what is this area? It corrects back to another zone, hit the zone, continue. Okay, so even in the beats of momentum, there are little correction if we're looking at it from a smaller time frame. So all I just need to do, if this market is consistent on the momentum, I just have to find areas of correction. I wait for them. So if it's moving right now, if it corrects back to this area, it's going to hit on this previous level and continue. So that's what I am waiting for, the cycle of correction. I can't jump in on momentum because I'm trading binary and it's time-based. Okay? Does that make sense? So you may say, oh, we have not gotten any trade, then you don't really know the market. So what I am doing is I'm setting up for what I am going to trade today. So if it doesn't happen this minute, every 15 minutes, that's why I'm putting an alarm. That's the beauty of trading. You set up, you put an alarm, go get busy with whatever you're doing. If your trade is getting to your area, it hits your area, your alarm is going to ring. It takes less than 2 minutes to open your system or open your phone, okay, and look if the trade is there and you take the trade, because that's what it means. If my alarm rings, all I just need to do is I open my system. That's why I like to set it before it gets to the area. That's why I'm setting it here. This is really where I would love to trade. But if it hits here right now, I just open my system. Okay. And if it's on timing, I just take the trade for 5 minutes. As long as USD stays stronger than CAD. Did you guys get that? Put 5. Okay. So don't say, oh, we're not getting a trade. We may get a trade on the session depending on how momentum relaxes. But if we don't, you save them. So if you're the one who came in here and just copy and paste you want to do, then maybe the live session won't favor you. But if you're the one who came in here and you've been learning from me binary, you know I said something. As I'm marking up, you mark up. Because I would leave them with you. Does that make sense? So I said I was going to look at USD. So another thing I may now look at is what? USD. I looked at USD card now. Did I look at USD CHF? How they look like? USD CHF. Let's see USD CHF. You guys remind me that what I have on this my left side is NZ. Okay, so let me put it NZ the left screen. NZ USD left screen. Just remind me. I know what I'm writing it. Sometimes I'll be looking for it. Okay, so I want to do USD CHF. Yeah. Let's see how it is. Oh, wow. What happened? Okay, USD CHF is bullish. Wow, bullish. Bullish. Oh, this is looking good. It's just that this guy called USD CHF it could be terrible sometimes. So CHF in its entirety. It's terrible sometimes. Moves you always see spike. So you have to be patient with that guy. If you don't get the correct area, you're doomed. And funny enough, CHF has paid me this year more than any currency. GBP CHF, Euro CHF, funny enough. If you go to my history, CHF is there more than any pair now. Okay, so I'll give you guys. So the strong area is, I think the 552 area, 552, that's where it hit and run away. So the next area probably be here. but I'll still look back. It's weak and it's not really solid. So 552 to 556. So 556 USDC is right here. Let's see if it's going to come back down there. We buy. Okay. Yes, this is still going to be valid, but that's dependent on if our momentum indicator, which is stochastic, will be good. Okay. If it's not good, we'll wait for the lower levels. Okay. So I'm going to leave binary since we have these levels. So let me just drop an alarm. So alarm would notify us. Okay, and we'll just shift. So how many pairs do we have right now? So I've given you guys USD card, USD CHF, NZD, USD. Any other pair I gave you guys? I have a feeling to look at euro, so that'll make it 4, but I don't know the real strength of euro. Euro is weak, so I can't buy. But here, euro is strong. Kilo happened. Or is something wrong with this guy? It has not changed since. So let me look at this guy here. Euro is not really that strong. Even card is strong here. Because what these guys can do sometimes, they can just mess you up. Another thing that is strong here is GBP. So GBP is strong here. GBP to GBP AUD, that will be gold. That's gold. GBP AUD. GBP AUD is really very weak. GBP AUD. No, I can't do euro. I was going to look at GBP CHF, but they're almost alike. GBP NZD. GBP NZD. GBP NZD. Okay, so let's look at GBP NZD. So I want to make it 4. So I'll look at GBP NZD. Do I have it here? I don't think I have it. Up there is, I can't forget what it did to my career of trading. That's the currency that broke my bone, the camel's back. Swipe, swoop. So GBP NZD, wow, it's bullish. Let me see GBP. Wow, bullish. They look alike. They look alike, and it is okay, weaker than NZD. Oh boy, market is really very serious. Okay, let me go with the GBP NZD first. They are the same structure, so and oh boy, look at the distance. Why is it that today I called you guys to trade market is distant? But I have a feeling that before we leave the session, we may spike something. I just have a feeling. Except we close abruptly. I hope you guys are learning something. If not for anything, learn how to set up. See this easy thing, you can do it in the office. I've asked students to trade with me in the office. Some of you probably are in the office, right? How many of you are in the office? Put office on the chat. Can do it anywhere. And do it with your phone. Though it's not really too easy with your phone, but it's not an excuse. If you have trading view on your phone, you can set up on trading view on your phone, the mobile app. And every 15 minutes, when you're very, very busy, trade every 15 minutes. It means you look at the market. Every 15 minutes on the clock is the best time the market reacts. Among all the times, 15 minutes are always the best. That's every of the quarter. Okay, market is, I think please continue down. Okay, I think there's something. Okay, good. We're going to be having a reaction to this reaction base. So if market comes back here, we do something. We do some, okay, something is happening. Let's go. So let's see. Let's see. So GBP is getting down. So this is getting down. GBP is gold pair, don't forget. Okay, so we're going to be looking at, though actually real structures, real correction. So if you're looking at this, like, let me show you guys something. So I told you guys sometimes I infuse, all right, feed levels to whenever. If you're looking at this right now, this 50%, here is actually a very, very good area to buy this market. It's going to be more productive than here. But here is the bus stop, first bus stop. So I could give you this. When market has strong momentum, that's what I do. I could bring in FIB, okay, to just measure up and see 50%. That's when, if the market has started, it has given me a high. So I have a low, I have a high, put a FIB, see the 50%. So any level around. So 60% is also going to be good, because why? It's going to be on top of what? A previous zone. It's going to be magnificent. Okay. So it's going to be magnificent at 933 to 993. But this is where we're going to trade first, because market is actually getting to the green. Don't run away. So if market gets to 105 to 105 to 130 area, it's going to be a buy area. Our first fight. Round one. Let's fight. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Let's see. Let's see. So market has been on momentum. Don't forget, if we get into the cycle of correction, it may be deep, it may be shallow. Okay. If it is not responding to the shallow one, just wait for the deep area. So this is a shallow area. This is a deeper area. Don't forget. I would love this guy to really just come to this level. It's going to be good. 556 is going to be a lot better on USD CHF. Are you guys looking at the other pair? So I said NZD USD was here. So let me look at NZD USD. Again, NZD CHF. What do I have with this pair now? What did I do to you? Okay, stay far away. Okay, so that is our arsenal for binary. So whilst we're looking at binary, let's quickly just switch into what's obtainable. So GA, I told you guys I was in GA. It's moving quite good, quite good. You know, I gave you guys on Tuesday that market breaks here, retest here. That's our trade. It did, okay, and it closed. So this is where I actually got in the market, and it broke, it retested and closed. Okay, so all of these were just boo, 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 but eventually now it's moving, and it's moving strong. So I think it should have hit my first TP, because that upper one is TP2. Okay, it's almost at first TP. Okay, it's 10 minutes away. So I think that, okay, yeah, this is the TP. All right. How many of you got in on this trade? Likewise, you did played out the same. So this was a break, this was a retest, and this was the opening. Okay, so this moved. So TP1 got, okay, but it came back again, and it's moving. So they both played out same activity. But I'm scared. Okay, market has created a high. Market has created a high. I think market is responsible. So this has increased this consolidation. So I'm not going to tell you get in anytime. So if it breaks here, retest here, you can continue. It's going to be strong because all this that's created a new consolidation here right now. So you just watch. You just watch out for this. Check this out. So 2 trades I called on Tuesday played out. How many of you made money from it? I bet not many of you. Not many of you. Because why? You're not watching. You're not following instruction. Okay. Many of you are not capitalizing on the opportunity you have. when I give you guys ideas, you're sleeping. How many of you made money? Let me know in the chat. How many of you were with me on Tuesday? You made money. You're making money from any of these pairs right now. But you don't. Just like I am calling this, I'm going to call other trades. So USD JPY, USD JPY. How many of you made money from USD JPY? At least that's one of one. I said it. I gave you guys. Okay. I said the market is going to come back here and it's going to drop crazily. If it hits here, closing confirmed. How many pips was that? If you made money on UG, let me know. Put UG on the chat. At least it did to the TP level because I said here is going to be TP level. So I still know this guy is going down though. All right. It's just okay. UJ. Okay, some of you made money. Imagine in a class, only 3 people that are reacting. And most of you join. You just join this session. It seems you like my face and my voice, or you think I'm just going to dash you physical cash. Is that why you joined the session? You join the session to make money with me, and I'm giving you opportunities to make money. So, what's going to be the opportunity? This is still the opportunity on UJ. It may hit here and drop down again. Okay, because why? If you look at this right now, though, even if there are several breaks, okay, it's past the level of 60%. Oh, it's actually within the level of the 60%. But it's consolidating for me right now. So there may be a go back here right now, but this is my next zone. I put these areas here right now because I know that these are areas of definition. Okay, so just gonna watch out for these areas. Let's play. Okay, just a moment. So UJ, EU, so EU is broken. So I was really looking at capitalizing on this E, but it's moving on the different direction, which means momentum is setting in. Where's our next buy? This is our next buy. So let me tell you guys, in case this guy is coming around this area, okay, for us to have a lift on the upside, because that's the next on concept on a higher time frame. Okay, that's the trend. This is the trend. So if market meets here, let's see, there's another high here. Good. So if market meets the 0.17, 1.0763 area, it's going to be, and it hits, close, boom. Market is pushing up for this bullish what? Trend, bullish run. So don't forget, I'm saying this again, giving you another opportunity. Okay, why get busy with your week? Get busy with this. So that's what I'm looking at. Since this market has created momentum and broke, if it closes on 4 hour below this area, it's going to drop down here. Okay. And yeah, it's going to drop down here. So that's, I should be waiting for the buy, not the sell. The sell doesn't have much momentum. So I'll wait for the buy here. You guys got this. So you guys, you have a trade on, many of you now have a trade on EU. So EU buy, so let me type it out. Euro USD buy at 1.0763. SL. What's going to be the SL? I think it's going to be a small SL. Yeah, it's going to be a small SL. The SL level shouldn't be more than this area because why? Because let me see. Let's see. For you to get now, if you want to swing it, you can use here. So let's see 4 hours. So this is the next if you're entering here, this is the next 4 hour low. So we're using a long. So let's say we're buying here. So let's say you're using a pending order and you put your stop loss here. It's going to be 32 pips. Okay. And this trade is, if we're looking at from here to here, I think you should be able to do this. That is 117 pips. That's 1 to 3 if you do this. So if you're using a pending order, you can do this. But I'd love to see it come here, reject. Okay. I want to see it come and reject. That is what I'll do. But if you're looking at doing a pending order, you are the office, you don't have time to be observant. Pending order has higher risk, but sometimes higher potential. So you can actually do this. But if you're doing a pending order, I would advise you take your stop loss lower to this area I just gave. It's kind of like 35 pips. So just make it 35. Good. So that would be 1.0727. SL is 1.0727. Okay, so you decide your TP. All right. So good. So that is EU. You guys like it? So these are easy trade ideas. All right. I'm using my style to look at our pairs. They are still all on momentum. Crazy, all on momentum. So look at GU. I think I have two GU. Analyze the GU. Okay, good. Family, let me show you something. GU was supposed to buy from me. I did. From our last session, I told you it's going to buy within this area. That's the 100. And I think it may push in again and go up. Okay. My opportunities. So let me take it to a higher time frame. My opportunities for a buy, it's in a buy zone. So you can see right now, if this closes to weekly on the buy over the next couple of weeks, it's a buy. So you guys watch out for. So let me pull this down a little bit. You watch out for this area because this is a momentum. It comes back to this area of liquidity on the weekly. Okay. So this is, if you're looking at this candle, all right, as an area of liquidity. And that is where this market responded to. So that's a floor. If this present floor over today and tomorrow, okay, closes as a bullish, next week is going to buy. So all you need to do is watch. If this market doesn't take out this bullish move, it means it can hit. Sorry. This is pure price action, technical. Trading technical. If you're looking at this right now, this is this candle closing. So that's a liquidity opening or closing. Hold on, let me change it to back. That could be another area of entry. If you switch it to the smaller time frame, watch. So yeah, market hit, moved. Okay, you actually hit that, continued. So this, if you are the quick entry and assumed trader, okay, you can actually buy here. We hit here again, buy back up, but you're swinging. It means if you're taking it here, you're putting your stop loss below. That's, you're assuming that this week is not going to break this low. That's based on the assumption of this GU. That's if you want to follow the buy because it's presently on the weekly buy. But is it going to close on the weekly buy? You and I don't know. So if you want to go with the bias of that bullish liquidity, where is the best, another place to enter? Here. Okay, so if GU comes here, all you just need to do is watch. If it comes here and holds, so I could say if market comes here right now, okay, and holds. I taught you guys on Tuesday, reject. If a candle comes here, rejects. I may even still do here, okay, reject. I just watch because the moment it takes out this area, it's taking out that's closed bearish. That's closed the bearish range. So I want it to still be bullish. That's why I'm taking these upper areas. So, and most times when market wants to switch the other direction on a stronger time frame like daily and weekly, it come back again. I told you guys on the last year we made money, okay, and it may be playing that out. So I'm professionally, let me see something quickly. I'm professionally just looking at just a moment. Good. I'm professionally I just closed I have a feeling. I don't know how to look at market. When I'm looking at market and trade is almost I might take profit and it's just dancing, I'll close it manually. I like to close it manually. So that's what I did. I just closed my GA manually. I don't like, when you're feeling that you are 5 pips away from your take profit trade that came back, it hurts more than ulcer. All right. So I just closed it. So I will be looking for a buy at 1.25. So let me just give you guys the parameters. So this is it. Buy GBP USD. I think there is a psychological area around there. Oh, that's good. 1.26. That's a psychological area. Makes sense. That's 1.2592 to 1.26. 1.2592 600. SL would be, sorry, if I'm getting in here, stop loss is gonna be here. Is this 23 pips? Wow, that's a miracle. Oh boy, this is a miracle. GU, that's a miracle. TP1 is gonna be here. Okay, TP2 is going to be GU, 20 pips. Wow. So let me look at. So I'll give you the potential strong. So potential is going to be here. Okay, that's 50%. Okay. Okay, at 50%, 50%. Oh, you take this out. Let me not be greedy. Can be greedy. So yeah, take this out. That's potential. So if I did it on the flip side, this would be 50% and this would be 61.8. So this is actually 50% of this move. So that would be what? Is that 106? That's almost that's one to five. This is good money. I like it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So Kenvry, should I just go put my should I just go get in now? Put a pending order? If you feel like you want to take the chance of that risk, that's it. All you need to do, calculate how much you want to risk for that. Go for it. No risk, no reward. Okay. For us, within the team, I think we're just going to look at it. Depending on how I told you, market is on momentum right now, but this guy is refusing momentum. I tell you, this guy is going to push up. I'm even afraid he shouldn't run away. So if he gives me a connection here, comes here and opens a new 1 hour or 4 hour candle, boy, I'm going to follow it up, buy it into next week. Does that make sense? You guys like this? You like this, right? So I like it's going to be good. It's going to be good. I have a feeling it's going to be good. So let's watch out for it. We may be joining the bulls into next week. So giving you this look. I was thinking the stop loss is going to be around 60 pips because I charted it on a daily. But so see 20 pips, that's a miracle. That's a trade to invest in. In fact, put half of your risk on pending order while you wait for the other. Put quarter of your risk on pending order while you wait for the other one. So you don't miss out. It's gonna be good. Hey, everyone, social alert. Every one of you in the nation, every one of you, irrespective of the currency you're looking at, okay? Irrespective of the currency you're looking at, all eyes on EU and GU. GU priority number one. We shouldn't miss this move if it happens, okay? except it breaks our projection. If it breaks, fine, we'll look at it next week. We'll look. If it breaks, okay, then we're gonna be. So let me talk. Okay, I said something I now remember. I don't have the time to quickly just ship that in. Okay, I know how to get in on a sell, but it has to break. Okay, if it breaks, we'll be looking at a sell around this area. Okay, but that's not for today. Let's focus on one. All right. Any questions so far? So binary is still on still on the move. None of them came. None of them came, right? NZES, where are you? Seriously out, 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 out. What was the other pair I put here? I dropped this GVNZ. What was the first pair I dropped here? AUD what? What was the other pair I dropped here? And the market is dealing with momentum. There was a pair I dropped here. USDC check? Okay, good. USDC check, where are you? I think they are all. No. USDCHF was here. Here, I mean, on the right side. On the left side, I said NU and USDCHF. On the left side, there was a currency I dropped before GM. Before GM, there was a currency I dropped. Look at this guy running away. So market is on clean momentum. When I tell you guys on Wednesdays, there's going to be momentum, that's what you're witnessing. Okay. Okay, so but either way, none of them is coming. All right, so you guys position yourself for Forex. I think G is gonna come. G is gonna play out this in another hour or two. We may be hitting. So I'm gonna drop alarm here. Any questions so far? It's been a wonderful session. So I said something. Okay, good. Okay, let me do this. I told you guys on our last session that I'm going to show you how to identify a good break. Please, what is the entry and stop loss for GU? Someone should give that person the entry and stop loss. So when market consolidates, I typed it fully on the chart. So when market consolidates, okay, it means market is making decision. Orders are being taken. So the more orders are being taken, decision is collating. So if there are more bull orders, they'll make a decision, okay, let's feed the bulls or let's feed the bears. So when market is consolidating, they are taking orders. Market is accumulating, they're taking orders. You don't want to be trading this market. There's no proper expertise of trading this market. It's just fully majorly on assumption. Because why? You're not really trading the volume. You're not trading what's activity based on price action. You're just trying to assume this will continue. So you sell when it comes here, you buy when it comes here. That's trading consolidation. It's a dangerous way of trading anyway. Trading within this zone is not actually really too good. But some people have strategies of just capitalizing on it. Now, this thing can happen in daily, it can happen in hourly, it can happen in small time frames. So while you're thinking market is on momentum or smaller time frame, it's actually still in consolidation on the daily. So that's why it's always good to look at what higher time frames. So what do you do to identify structures when they break? So when this market breaks this level, means decision has been made. Liquidity has been taken out. Now, sometimes the decisions are fake. To push you, market may decide that they want to go sell, but they will first push on a bullish to fake the decision so that, because why? They want to do something and they don't want you to follow them. They make more money when you are not with them. So because they are taking your money. Now, when they break, a lot of people get in, they jump in because why? It has broken. But sometimes that's just to fake out, to come back in. So when there is a comeback in and there's a close below this zone, continuation gets in. The next thing you're going to see, all right, you're going to see this. It will come back into the momentum and drop. Because why? Whenever this happens, whenever you see anything like this after consolidation, okay, means this was the fake out, this was the remove. The first is always the fake out. Okay. So when I'm just trying to show you guys this type of structure. So most times these are activities that happen after I break. You watch out for this structure I just showed you right now. If you see this and market comes inside and continue down and break the next zone, just know that the next zone is the remove. Are you guys with me? Put 10 if you got that. Okay. The next zone is the remove. If it breaks the upper zone and comes back in, did not allow. You guys would have seen this many times. Okay. I mean, that was the fake out. Okay. And they'll come back real. They will still come back in again because what they are doing is total flush out. They are flushing you out. They are flushing you because majority of traders look out for breakout and retest. So now they are not going to give you retest. They're just going to give, maybe in a smaller time frame, there will be a retest, but in a bigger time frame, it's going back. They would have flushed you out because if you retest here, you put your stop loss around this area, boom, it's taking you out. So this is a major way of taking traders out of the market. Again, and the market will move when you're finally, imagine you took the upside and a smaller time frame decided to buy, it did not agree. Took the second time and a smaller time frame. That's why it's always good when the market is consolidating, be patient. Wait for the move on 1 hour and 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours are stronger. So if market breaks 4 hours, comes back, retests 1 hour and closes and open an hour candle or 4-hour candle, that is not a fake out. That's moving. Okay, about 15 minutes sometimes can just take you out. So just watch out for this. Now, this is another scenario. So this is really what I want to show you guys. And I'll get off. I want to clean. Okay. Okay, so this is another scenario. So market comes back here, reject. Now come back in. Now start playing things like this. It means it's respecting the zone. How do you know when to get in? What's a better way to actually get in on the zone? Now you can see that there is a consolidation, but there's still a zone here. This is one beautiful way of getting into a perfect move on the bullish side. Let the market take out the previous high and come back into this consolidation. It's going to move. Are you guys with me? Watch. If it comes back into this previous zone, it's ready. That's when momentum sets in. Okay. Or it's going to do this. So eventually the market created another consolidation factor here. That's still another valid entry. So market takes the main goal for you to identify momentum after a consolidation. It creates a high, breaks that high. It means market is moving in that direction. So either it takes it here, move, okay, or it comes back here, move. But as long as this high after the consolidation is taken out, market has set in that direction. So this is a patient way, all right, for our strategy 2.0. So this is an addition of 2.0 factor. I'm not taught you guys, I'm just teaching generally this right now. This is one way of, because at the end of the day, what you want to do is get in safety. This is premium. After a major consolidation, okay, market don't just move once. It's either it's going to break, then confirm the break, then move. Maybe you take TP1, all right? But if you want to go to the next zone, so let's say previous zone has a high here, you want to move to that high. It's not just going to break, retest, and go to that high. Now, okay, what you watch out for if you want to take out major moves is let the market take out the high that broke. If it takes it out, come back into any of those zones. Okay, that's it. I wish I could use the charts to show you. So let me find a reference point. Just hold on a bit. Let's go to USD. Let's see. I'm trying to see. Yes, did we get you? Okay, perfect. Watch this. Okay, so let me just do this right now. So this is what I'm talking about. When the market creates consolidation, all right, and it breaks, So this didn't really, this is a break and a retest. I'm trying. It's not big. It's not big. It's not big. Not big. It's not big. It's not big. So this didn't retest, so it's not valid. I'm trying to find. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I just want to find a refresh point. So we have to find a market that actually consolidated for you guys to see what I'm talking about. This was this was almost 8 consolidated move break, but the retest did not really retest the zone, but that was a break retest. So this ended here. Don't worry. On our next session, I'm going to take our time. Okay. Oh sheesh. So this is actually setting. Let me see GA. Did it happen on GA? Did it happen on GA? Okay. I want to be frank with you. What I just showed you guys right now, okay? You want to watch out for it on GA. If GA comes back, so this is what I'm saying right now. So this is a high that broke this consolidation. Okay, this is a high that broke this consolidation. It really broke and retested close. Okay, and somehow markets stayed in the consolidation, but it did it again. So you see this present move has taken at this high. If market comes into this zone or this zone, watch out. If market comes into this zone again, the move is going to be far. So this market may not get here. Now, it may not. It may, but it may not. But for this market to get to this high, okay, there's going to be a comeback. But this has confirmed the zone has been broken. Okay, if it comes back into this area or even this area again, you're going to see significant push on the upside. That's when you can swing. Are you guys getting this? That's really when you can swing. But for the break, you just take your intraday and you're out. Make sense? You guys go where I'm saying. So I'm gonna stress this out, give you guys more case points, within our classes into next week. I'm going to capitalize on this new lesson I've told you guys into next week. But with that being said, family, was it a wonderful session? Market is still on momentum. Okay. Crazily on momentum, still crazily on momentum. 2.5 on the chart, you got that. So you guys just, what is that? That is something. Okay, that's our G. G, like I said, is back down at our zone. So yeah, now we know market has hit our area, and let's watch if it's gonna take it out. If it doesn't take it out, a new candle opens over the next. So this hour has tested. So wait time for this hour to close and the next hour to open. If the next hour opens and closes above this area, join me. Okay. So momentum is still in. So if momentum doesn't allow, leave it alone. Okay. Leave it alone. But right about now, it's dangerous. Sometimes it's always tempting. Should I just get in? Should I get in? Should I break my risk and just get in one right now, put my stop loss? Either way, I'm not watching the market. For GU, over the last couple of months, GU has a way of doing what I say it will do. Okay, not really like that. GU will do what I say it will do, but doesn't really do it the way I want it to do it. Kenvry, what do you mean? For every time I tell you that GU will get to an area, that the area is preparing for a buy, but from my strategy, I love it to test and open. It doesn't wait for the test to open, just run away. It does what I need it to do, but it doesn't really just complete it. So it's either I'm going to stick with me or finally follow the indiscipline of just doing what the market is doing. So I'll choose. Right now, I'll stick with me. I'll wait because that's how the market breaks your code. Okay, just because it has done it several times doesn't mean you need to do it in this one. Just wait. But we're not playing small boy play here right now. We're playing major. So guys, so much activity, but please, let's pray. This guy shouldn't take this out. Let's just move around here. Any questions so far? I'm done. What happened? Okay. I'm not showing you my screen. Ah, shoot. Okay. I didn't show you my screen. So let me just share that. So this is what I was saying. So it has touched this area. This hour will determine if it's going to break this two area. If it doesn't, if any candle opens and closes above this or touch here and closes above, but from the way the market is moving, it's still going down. So let's see. We have 15 minutes for this candle to determine if this is not going to break our code. If you see a candle opens and closes above this zone, all right, buy. If it touches the zone and the next candle closes above, buy. If it doesn't, don't buy. Okay. Any questions so far? But please, every move, you guys help us know in the chat. It's not. So this one now is not far away. Help us know. If it breaks and it's closing below, let us know it's closing below. If it's closing above, it's respecting, let us know. All right. So at least the first one is done. Any questions so far? But you guys enjoyed the session. iPhone, I hope you were able to get the zone on GU. So the entry for GU is at the psychological area, the 1.2592 to 1.26. That's the entry area, but based off on it activates the next candle you touch. But if you break that zone, don't buy. The stop loss area is 1.2569. Okay, 2569. So that's about 20 pips. I know this trade is gonna play out. So you got it now. Okay, beautiful. Now, when you guys, another thing I'm going to say, I hope you guys, are you all on the Telegram? For those of you that are not in Power Nation, even those of you in Power Nation, most of you are in the information group. Let me tell you one of the things that makes you retain opportunities and blessings. Gratitude. Be very good at gratitude. If you want to get the best of a person, is to be grateful for that person. These things I do, some of you, I see, I've made better traders that are not in my environment just by following. But they get better at trading, but they don't get better successfully. Why? Trading is just one part. I'm giving you trading, but for you to be successful, there are attributes to success. One of them is gratitude. Anything you're grateful for, you amplify. Many people, you think it's a birthright. Kenvry is having a session. I join. I learn something. I get value. I don't come back to say thank you. All right. I don't appreciate gratitude. I may not hear you being grateful, but if you are grateful and you show it, some of you take this trade, you win the trade, but you don't celebrate it. So let me give you a quote. These are part of the principle I live by. Okay. And you overcame them by the blood of the Lamb and the words of their testimony. You may be in a battle, you've won, but you have not overcome. You will keep fighting that battle. Winning, it's like back and forth. You're winning. You have the advantage, but you've not overcome. You're not a conqueror. You conquer when you testify. So you come on the group. Hey, that GU Kenvry called. I took it. I won. It takes nothing from you, but appreciatively brings everything to you. Do that. Not because I need it. I'm telling you right now because I know it will retain your level of growth and success. What you appreciate, you amplify. God bless each and every one of you. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you, students. Bye.